Hello, chef. Good morning. Can you tell me what's the cooking temperature?
Cooking temperature
Yes.
75.
Okay. Then can you tell me preheat temperature? Ready?
75.
Okay. Thank you, chef. Hello. Good morning, chef.
Hi, good morning, chef. How are
Chef. Very good, chef. Chef, I want to ask some question you.
you? Yes, sure.
Chef, can you please explain this cutting board?
About
Color code. Yes.
Yeah, sure. I will explain you.
Yeah.
You can see
Yes.
I am using green chopping board, cutting board, and green knife. Both are for vegetables and fruits also.
Okay.
And you can see here.
Yes.
I have white chopping board for dairy products and bread also,
Yes.
and green one for already I explained you.
Yes.
And this is brown cutting board for cooked meat.
Okay.
And we are already I explained you we are using different cutting board and knives. You can see we are using blue cutting board for seafood.
Ah,
Yeah,
you
you
also
can
ready?
see here seafood. Yes.
It's
And
good.
come with me. And
Yeah.
I will show you.
Yeah.
I have a red cutting board for red meat.
Red meat.
Yeah, red meat like beef and lamb.
Beef, yeah, okay.
And we have yellow cutting board, and you can see here we have lots of type and different color coding.
Yes.
We are using yellow cutting board for. I will show you. We have different color coding here. You can see here red one for raw meat, and blue one for raw fish or for seafood, and fruit and vegetable for green one for fruit and vegetables. White one is for dairy products and bakery items. For poultry or raw chicken, we are cutting on the yellow board, and ready to eat or cook meat, we are cutting on the brown board. And we have different pork item and some color coding. We already explained you. And for allergen, we are using a purple cutting board,
Purple cutting board,
which is
yeah.
separate, and I put in my chef office, executive chef office.
Okay. Thank you so much, chef. Hello, chef. Good morning. How are you,
Good
chef?
morning. How I am good.
Okay, I am also good, chef. Chef, I want to
Yes.
ask some small question.
Yes, I.
Chef,
Yeah.
how many grams of one egg?
The normally depend up hen.
Hen.
Actually, is a theory of cookery. The provide for this one.
Okay, thank you, chef.